So we are installing the updates and the tuning all. Press screen to continue. Press screen to continue. So now it's doing all that. Everything's going through. We're just waiting on that. Come on, buddy. My battery's almost dead here on my GoPro. Hopefully the battery on the GoPro lasts. I'm going to have to charge this thing in the morning. Hopefully it'll start going a little faster. I gotta get some spare batteries for this GoPro. Okay. That's done. That's done. Continue. It's all been done. All the update and all should be on there, I believe. No dummy lights. Everything looks good. So that's the video, guys. That's installing the updates and all. Everything's done. That's exhaust. So we're all good. I will catch you on the next video.